Come test drive the 2017 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, backup camera, smart device integration, lane departure warning, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, leather-wrapped steering wheel, low tire pressure warning, compass. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.